Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my fall Fabfitfun box. So exciting! So I have actually had this, believe it or not, for over 2 weeks. This box is actually really big. Look at how huge this box is. Also, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Culture and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. I do tons of videos on everything under the sun. I hope that you subscribe and then hit that notification bell so you know when I post my videos. I'll also be leaving a link down below for $10 off of your first box of Fabfitfun if you aren't already a member. So make sure you check my description box below. And now let's dive in. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. Super cute. And then the little magazine here. This is, oh, Meghan Trainor is on the cover. Okay, so first thing I have here is this product by Aveda. It's a damage remedy daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. And it's a leave-in treatment. You just work a small amount of product in your hands and then apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. I have a lot of leave-in sprays. I don't have anything like in a tube, but I will definitely be trying this out the next time I wash my hair. Okay, next up is this Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Ooh, it's a gel stimulant. It's a body boost gel that features a blend of green tea, ginseng, and menthol to help boost your workouts. Oh, by targeting problem areas while keeping you visibly smooth and toned. Before any workout, apply to trouble areas like abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in circular motions and let the tingling begin. That's so interesting. I don't know how this will help you when you work out, but I guess it tone firms, smooths, and it's a pre-workout activator. I cannot say that I have heard of any product like this. Okay, so let's see. Wow, it smells amazing. Minty, smells like when you go to the spa. So it's a little bit like of a transparent serum. It's a tint of green. Let's see how it feels. Okay, so it's not thick at all. Menthol and green tea. It smells really good. I don't really feel any tingling yet. Yeah. So the next time I work out, I will rub this all over and I'll let you guys know what it does, if it does anything. And so next up is this Cosmetics Pure C. It's a vitamin C mixing crystals. So I was reading that you can boost any type of moisturizer or product that you have with vitamin C by just adding this into it. So I'll read the directions here. It says, mix the crystals in with a few shakes with any of your favorite, okay, well it says cosmetics, but you can use any products, and apply to your face. And then that way, any product that you have that may have vitamin C or it doesn't have vitamin C at all, you can ensure that you're getting your vitamin C on your skin through your skincare by adding these crystals into it. All right, next up is this Humankind Skincare with Conscience. It's a lightly whipped formula for the ultimate in kindness. Human plus Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moist. I'm sorry, not super moist. Super moisturized and soft to the touch. So it's basically like a lotion, vegan and cruelty-free, naturally derived. All right, let's open this up. It smells really good. It doesn't feel like a thick formula of lotion, like a really heavy-duty cream. It just feels like a nice lotion. Great to have, you know, on my desk in my office. So anytime I'm filming videos like this where I'm showing my hands a lot, I can just put this on and be ready to go. It smells really good, but it's not too perfumey, but it's also not like super creamy. I kind of like my lotions to be a little bit thicker, so that way I know it lasts. We shall see if this lasts. This, it's still not tingling, but maybe I didn't use enough. So I'll let you guys know on Instagram if that offers any help when I work out. Okay, so this is cute. So this is Harper Arie exfoliating sugar cubes, and it says juice cleanse. And so it says you take a single cube with you in the shower or in the bath and then gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Let's open her up. Oh my God, it smells so good. It literally smells like you can pop this into your mouth and it's gonna be like a delicious gummy, sour gummy treat. Definitely don't want my kids around this because they'll think that they can eat it, but you can't. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, I think this is one of the products that I chose online. These are called Detox Pads, Complexion Perfecting Pads with alpha and beta hydroxy. You basically wash your face really good and then you wipe this all over, kind of like if you were to have a cotton pad and then put toner on it or witch hazel and you wipe it all over your face and then you leave it. I think you leave this on too. So it says gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve your skin's complexion, and then you don't rinse it off. Yes. Okay, next up, I am really excited about this because I chose this online and I was going to buy another face toner for myself, but I saw this one was available. So this is Skin and Company Truffle Therapy. This is a face toner, and I have their Truffle Therapy moisturizing cream, which I'm actually almost out of. I did really well with that product, and I'm so excited to try another one from their line. This is a purifying formula for all skin types, alcohol-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's vegan. Okay, next up. So this is a hair tool. I am so excited. I chose this as well. This is a mini flat iron. Look how cute it is, and the color is so pretty. It's really sturdy. So there's an off and on switch, and then there's a little dial that goes from 140 to 450. I really like the flat iron that I have right now, but out of all the three that you can customize online, this is the one that I like the most. So I thought, why not? I'll have another flat iron for travel, especially because this is small. We shall see how this works. And I mean, the color is adorable. And then you got a cute little bag to transport it in. So cute. Oh my gosh, so that is the last product here, is the flat iron. My whole Fabfitfun box is empty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check my description box below if you aren't already a member and want to save $10 on your first box. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.